The reason that I'm going to go from 100 to a billion and 10 billion and beyond is because I am working harder now than I worked to get here. And it's because I've learned a better way to work. And so this is me sharing that better way to work.
So that was Alex Hormozi, and he's just partnered with Sam Ovens with the Skool.com app. He's created a game within the Skool app to create communities. As growth operators, we are going to utilize the information that he's given out for free, and we're going to create communities for influencers. Okay, let's jump into this quick video that I've made for you, and let me know what you think. Comment down below what you think. Like, share, and comment. Alex Hormozi and Sam Ovens partnering up with is an event that could revolutionize your approach to online business. This collaboration brings together two of the most influential figures in the digital entrepreneurship world. Imagine this: Alex Hormozi, a titan in online business who has built a net worth of 100 million, is now aligning with Sam Ovens, the CEO of Skool.com. It's likely witnessing the merger of two powerhouses, each with their own unique set of skills and insights. But why does this matter to you specifically? How can this powerhouse partnership lead to a dramatic shift in your life and career? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the essence of this partnership. We'll explore why it's a game changer in the world of online business. Most importantly, how it opens up an incredible opportunity for you to thrive and grow. Alex Hormozi is not just a successful entrepreneur, he's a visionary he's in the £100 million club. His insights and strategies have already guided thousands towards building successful businesses. And guess what? You can access his knowledge for free. Yes, free. I've linked it down in the description. Check out the lines in the description for the direct access to his invaluable content and free copy of his groundbreaking book, $100 million Offers. There's a free Audible link down there to get your free book for Audible. Imagine the potential growth when someone of Hormozi's caliber invests into a platform like Skool. Alongside the expert guide of Sam Ovens, Skool.com is a hub for hosting both paid and free communities. Catering to a wide range of niches, this isn't just a small step, it's a giant leap for the e-learning domain. Their focus is on paid community models as a growth operator. Sam Ovens is acting as a growth operator and Alex Hormozi is acting as the content creator, influencer. This isn't just a small step, it's a giant leap for the e-learning domain. Their focus on a paid community model is a clear indicator that this business model is the best in 2024. As you as the viewer have the golden ticket to ride the wave of opportunity. With their combined expertise fueling Skool.com, the platform. One second. And you as the viewer have the golden ticket to ride this wave of opportunity. With their combined experience fueling Skool.com, the platform is set to soar in new heights. And there's the most exciting part. Alex Hormozi has launched his own community on Skool.com. It's called the Skool Games. And it's free for 14 days to get all of his valuable information and resources and trainings. You get free access to all of his trainings where you'll be guided on creating your own thriving community, or to help an influencer create their community as a growth operator. The link, along with the free Audible credit for his book, is in the description. Let's talk about the beauty of this business model. Paid communities are unique digital entities. Once they're set up, they grow organically through member interactions and engagement. They're cost effective with low expenses compared to other business models and require minimum fulfillment. This is your chance to convert your passion or a niche expertise into a profitable venture. But what if you're new to this and you don't have a big following? Perfect. You can become a growth operator. If you want to see the 41-page document that I've created, it'll be listed down below with the rest of the links in the description. What's the role of a growth operator? That's where a growth operator role comes in. So in 2024, the world is teeming with creators who have yet to monetize their audience effectively. As a growth operator, you can partner with these creators, leverage their audience and your business acumen, and create profitable communities for them via the Skool app. So if you're looking for creators and influencers on in Instagram and TikTok with over 10,000 followers, the 1% rule will apply to this. So 1% of anyone's audience, say for example 100,000 followers, with a content creator that's in the educational niche, say for example cooking, if just 1% of their audience was to join the paid community, you and the creator could be on £10,000 a month within 90 days. The process is straightforward. Find a creator with at least 10,000 followers, content that educates and inspires and transforms. Then conduct through market research and understand the audience's needs and desires. Finally, launch the community. Success stories abound, from Justin and Ruben hitting 15k a month partnering with spiritual creator Perry, reaching £40,000 a month with a clothing brand expert. If this excites you, there's more. I've compiled a comprehensive 41-page document detailing the blueprints to start and scale a paid community to £10,000 a month. With the aid of Hormozi's training, which is free for 2 weeks, I suggest you click on the link down below, the Skool app link, to get into his training. It's the fastest way to get £10,000 a month. The link to this goldmine of his information is in the description, like I just said, so check it out, start your journey. And remember to subscribe and like to this video for more insightful content. See you on the next one, where we'll continue to unlock the secrets of successful digital entrepreneurship.